Today, we will be learning numbers in multiples of 10.
So, say these numbers with your English voice. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Now, as you can see, all these numbers except 10 and 100 end with T. With numbers, we can talk about many different things. Here are just a few examples. We can talk about people's age, the time, prices of different items, measurements, and we can talk about different objects. So, let's have a look at some sentences with all these different things. I am 30 years old. These shoes are 20 pounds.
This ruler is 30 centimeters long.
There are 100 books in this store. And it's 20 past 10.